Good morning, everyone. Myself Aman from BSc Chemistry Honors Final Year, roll number 37. Topic of my presentation is enzymes. The human body is composed of different type of cells, tissues, and other complex organs. For efficient functioning, our body releases some chemical to accelerate biological process such as respiration, digestion, and a few other metabolic activities to sustain a healthy life. Hence, enzymes are pivotal in all living entities which govern all the biological processes. What are enzymes? Enzymes can be defined as biological polymer that catalyze biochemical reaction. The majority of enzymes are protein with catalytic capability crucial to perform different processes. Metabolic process and other chemical reaction in cell are carried out by a set of enzymes that are necessary to sustain life. The initial stage of metabolic process depend upon the enzyme with which react with the molecule and is called substrate. Enzyme convert the substrate into other distinct molecule which are known as product. The regulation of enzyme has been a key element in clinical diagnosis because of their role in maintaining life processes. The macromolecular component of all enzymes consist of protein except in the class of RNA catalyst called ribosomes. The word ribosomes is derived from the ribonucleic acid enzyme. Many ribosomes are molecules of ribonucleic acids which catalyze the reaction of their own bonds among the other RNA. Enzymes are found in all tissues and fluid of body. Catalysis of all reactions taking place in metabolic pathway is carried out by intercellular enzymes. The enzymes in plasma membrane govern the catalysis in the cells as response to cellular signal, and enzyme in the circulatory system regulate the clotting of blood. Most of the crucial life processes are established on the function of enzymes. Enzyme structure. Enzymes are a linear chain of amino acid which give rise to three-dimensional structure. The sequence of amino acid specifies the structure which in turn identify the catalytic activity of the enzyme. Upon heating, the enzyme structure denatures result in loss of enzyme activity which typically is associated with temperature. Compared to its substrate, enzymes are typically large with varying size, ranging from 62 amino acid residue to an average of 2500 residue found in fatty acid synthase. Only a small section of the structure is involved in catalysis and situated next is binding sites. The catalytic site and binding site together constitute of enzyme active site. A small number of ribosomes exist which serve as an RNA-based biological catalyst. It reacts in complex with proteins. Biological catalysts. Catalysts are the substances which play a significant role in chemical reaction. Catalysis is the phenomena by which the rate of chemical reaction is increased. During a chemical reaction, a catalyst remains unchanged both in term quantity and chemical properties. Biological catalysts are extremely specific that catalyze a single chemical reaction or some close associated reaction. Substance molecules attach themselves at active site of enzyme. Initially, substrate associate themselves by non-covalent interaction to the enzyme, which include ionic, hydrogen bond, and hydrophilic region. Enzyme reduce the reaction of activation energy to progress toward equilibrium quicker than the reaction that are not catalyzed. Thank you.